Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Facebook Messenger automatically photo sending problem or send photo problem in Messenger application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Messenger application. Go to Apps Info or I button. Click on Apps Permission. Turn off camera permission or gallery or photo permission. Go back, click on storage, again click on clear data, tap on clear cache data. Step 3. Open your Messenger application, click on profile picture, again click on setting icon, scroll down, tap on photo and media, then turn off save on capture option. Click on turn off. Step 4. Open Play Store, go to search Messenger application, update your Messenger application latest version. Again open your Messenger application. You can follow all of the steps to fix Facebook Messenger automatically photo sending problem or send photo problem solved. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.